Hey folks, what's going on? Do a little FOMC action here. Let's see what the big fuss is about. How's everybody doing? Hey Mike, whatever man, forget about it. What's going on, guys? Yeah, I was not much going on here, so we'll hop on and see if this is all it's cracked up to be. Lower targets are down here at 66.35. These single prints down here at 66.32, and then underneath 26 half. If we get any kind of serious selling, there's some areas that interest me. One is, I'd say probably 65.77. You know, the problem is if we get any kind of big liquidation, and I'm just talking downside first, um, just because I have no idea what the hell's going to happen. And then this 65.47, that's really kind of where that cost basis is. So let's see. Last time, I don't think we even had any fireworks, you know? So I'm 65.47 half is a big level. The other thing that I'm watching for is these levels I've been using for a long time. These are my longer term levels. It's a new contract, right? We just rolled into a new contract. So I'm also very curious to see how the new contract trades into my levels. Right? So just chill out and enjoy the ride. No problem. Yeah, I figured. Yeah, there's enough people on to merit putting one of these on. I mean, let's face it. I'm not going to trade it. Everyone's talking about it, right? It's like, what's the popular TV show that you guys watch now? You know, somebody asked earlier. They said, "How should I trade the Fed?" And the answer to that is, if you need to ask, you shouldn't be trading it. It could get kind of hairy, right? Hey Jerry, how you doing? Zed, what's going on? Long time no see. Hey Sandy. Yeah, yeah. I'm getting the sense that people are bored, and this will be nice after this Fed. We could get back to some normal business tomorrow. You know. Hey Patty, how you doing? Now, please, I gotta do a disclaimer. If you're not a fast trader, please don't trade this. Right? If you are, then you know what you're doing. Hey Camp One, you know. And if you do decide to ride the mechanical bull. Just wear a helmet. Have you seen Friends and Neighbors? Yeah, I like that show. What he's talking about, there's a TV show about a hedge fund portfolio manager who gets fired, and then he starts stealing from his friends and his neighbors. It's like going around stealing Patek Philippe watches. It's just brutal. But it's kind of a funny show. It's a little twisted, but it's funny. Uh, what are you going to do? Oh, hey, Dan, I'm doing okay. All quiet here in Liverpool. The wind's dying down even, which is nice. It was actually warm today. Starting to get a little frisky. Now, we'll know it gets really busy if the screen freezes. Is the world going to erupt? Hola, Jose Manuel. I've got a Mexican buddy in my apartment building. He's teaching me Spanish, but I think he's teaching me all the bad stuff. All right, so no inventory correction lower. Let's see if they blow off inventory and come back underneath the overnight high. Still haven't had the juice to take out the previous day high. Inventory's all underneath us. Once we get above 66.77, all of that short-term inventory is underneath us. So it should move. If it doesn't move, if we can't get over 66.77, look for rotation downwards, okay? It's not that jumpy. I'm sure it's thin as hell, but it's not jumpy. Yeah, there's like 20 aside. I told you it's going to rotate downwards, right? We couldn't get above and stay above that 77.76. So now watch the J low. Right? Watch that J low and see if it can come down to the point of control. If it can't, it's going to rotate up again. So it's just going to rotate the inventory between the stops. So they cut rates? Cool. All right, so everyone's happy? All right, now watch that 77. All right. What I'm talking about is this level right here. Once we get over that level, all of the inventory is underneath us. So let's see. Hmm. But now watch out. Staying over 76.77 targets yesterday's high. Right? It's thin. It's thin up here. The air is thin. There's 84 3/4. I told you. Once the inventory's underneath you, you can go sell it higher. Got close. Now it's going to backfill. Right? We didn't take out yesterday's high. Going to backfill, find a bid. Where's the bid? Remember, if yesterday's high gets taken out, there is no overhanging inventory to hold this thing down. So just watch your whiskers. Eight times balance is 67.08 3/4. Careful if it sticks the 85s and starts lifting the offer. Okay. There should be some selling at around 88, but be careful if there isn't. It's actually not been bad price action. I've seen a lot worse. Let's see if we can get up to the 86s and stick it. Careful if you're short. Nobody ever asks for Russell short charts anymore. Today's the first time anybody's even asked me what I think about the Dow. If we can't take out yesterday's high, say you're short the look above and fail of 85. Just watch for those bids. These candles are a little large for 1 minute candles. You'll be looking, if you're short, look for bids at 75, 76. There we go. 76. We are still inside yesterday's range, Raj. We have not been able to take out the high. Looks like we got a little rotation here. Selling into it at 81. So, shorts, you know what to do, right? Longs. If we get back under 66.74, be careful on the long side. coming down to 75. There's not enough juice there, Jerry. What we're going to see as the day goes on and progresses, I think we're just going to distribute between 72 and 80. And I would be looking for lower. There we go. Right. Be careful if you're long and it can't get back over 75. Right. Yep. You can scalp short the micro if you want. There's our sellers. Right. Short 71, covering 70, covering 69, covering 67. Got 2 left. Flat 67. It's not bad. It's not bad. Right? Not bad. I think that's the most I'm going to do. It was like 5 or 6 micros. Short 71. I'm just trading my levels. Price action's not that fast. And the fills weren't bad. Little rotation back up, looking for 72, 72 and 3/4. There it is. Looking for a seller at the overnight high. Yeah, I'll stay on for J period. Then I'll let you guys go, do your thing. Watch that J low now. See if they can. We're still rotating. Now, the upside, unless we get, like seriously, unless we get acceptance over 77, 78 going into the end of the day, be careful. Be careful on the long side. Okay? That move up was not what we thought. So no big fireworks. There's the J low. Boom. Told you guys not to stand in front of this thing if it gets under the overnight high. Right? That's 74. Now watch for lower. Yes, the big great question. The reason for the initial move up is because as soon as you get some sort of a data event, whatever, man, you get generally a lot of people come in to buy and short cover. So you take advantage of that by raising the offer. The more you raise the offer, the more the sheep will chase. The higher you go, you could just take it all the way up from 66.60 all the way to 84 and then just slowly sell it down. This way you can distribute a lot of product. So that initial move up is like advertising. Like, come on, come and buy it. You'll love it. We'll make you rich. We're going to solve all your problems. Right? And then all the suckers come into the store, and then that's when you shank them. Right? Right? You need to draw buyers into a market. Come on, little trader, we've got candy. Here, YOLO this. Right? Come, little trader, we have candy. All your dreams of free money will come true. Right? Now, where's the real cost basis? The cost basis of wholesale traders, well, most of it's under 65.77. So now they can sell the crap out of this thing. Right? You create the move to sell into strength. It's beautiful. They fall for it every single time. It happens every day in equities. It's called the gap and trap. You gap a stock up, it brings all the suckers in, and then you just nail them. Right? And you just unleash hell on them. It's a great way to sell. Right? You got to remember that the market is geared for people who are position long. The market's not built on short selling. Some nice short covering here. Look below and fail of 45 and 3/4. If it's got any strength, we'll get up to 57 and 3/4 right here. There's going to be a seller at the overnight low. There they are. They're letting it breathe. Looking for 57 and 3/4. We're close. Nailed it. There you go. I have no idea, Raj. Just watch the chart, brother. I have no idea. Just watch the candle chart. It's much more exciting. I have no idea where all that stuff is. I'm not as prepared as I should be. Right? Now, rotation all the way back down. Look for bids at 45, 46. Right? You'll see that the levels that we did up this morning are working quite nicely. I think it's all the way down at 65.47, Raj. But don't quote me on that. I can't remember when that was. Somebody in the room will know for sure. Developing POC really hasn't moved much, has it? That's kind of interesting. Let's see if we can get back in the overnight range. Oh. I got to say, I'm short biased over the next couple of days. But it still needs to be proven to me. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. See, there's that balance I had, and then doubling it up to 66.56. I'm thinking look above, fail, come back down to this area here. Because that's where the position was, right? Other than a couple of dips. That's where the bulk of the position is. We'll see. Fancy, what's going on? You always drop in every once in a while, you ask the craziest questions, and then you disappear. You're like Kazoo on the Flintstones. What's shaking there, man? What could be a wrong balance? That's one when you fall over. How you doing? Oh, a wrong balance is when you lose balance and fall over. Yeah, wrong balance is a guy with has had too many Guinnesses and he's going up the stairs sideways. Listen, I got to bug this guy. He pops onto my stream every 3 or 4 days, and he says something just crazy, and then he freaking disappears again. Right? And then he drops by. He's like Kazoo. Hang on a sec, folks. Okay, folks. Got a couple of minutes left here. You're busy? That's okay. Oh, we're catching some bids. We're catching some bids. Look at this. Back to that developing puck. Let's see if we can get it back inside yesterday's range. Nice work, Jam. See you in the morning, Mother Truck. I'm only going to be on here for another 7 minutes. So we found some bids down there at 66.40. I don't know. It's kind of not as much excitement as you guys expected, eh? Nice work, Colin. Nice work. I owe you a phone call. Let's do a one-on-one tomorrow if you have time. All my guys who are doing one-on-ones with me will get back to work tomorrow. See you, Jerry. Have a good evening. See you tomorrow morning. Thanks, Dad. I thought I'd do about a half hour, Josh. Now you guys have a rotation, right? Right? You got a nice big rotation. So just map out the edges of that rotation. There's your playground, right? There's your sandbox. Play inside the sandbox. Just remember to wear a helmet, especially when that dude starts talking, because usually when he's talking, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the hell away from the computer in exactly 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Right? I actually took a FOMC trade. Right? If you think this is fast, Rolly, that's brutal, man. This is not fast at all. Don't worry, it always seems fast when you first start. But this is not fast at all. This is actually very tradable, believe it or not. And they've really perfected the algos in this market. You know, they've really got the algos really nicely tuned where you can actually almost trade almost quite a few of these events. You know? Now, when he starts talking, it's all bets off. But for now, this isn't so bad. This is very tradable. Just don't get, you know, the only thing if you are trading stuff like this is just don't be stubborn and wrong, okay? If you're wrong, that's fine, right? Just be wrong. Just admit you're wrong quickly, okay? That's all you got to do. Admit you're wrong. Get the hell out of Dodge. I wasn't even going to trade, but I took those 5-6 micros. No problem, Nano. We'll see you guys in the morning. Thanks for coming out, folks. Back to our regularly scheduled program. I'm here at 7:30 in the morning UK time, which is 2:30 in the morning New York time for those insomniacs and those who are working the late shift. Which reminds me of the movie Night Shift with Michael Keaton and Henry Winkler. See ya, Hank. You guys stay out of trouble, okay? Thanks, folks. Thanks for watching on YouTube. We'll see you tomorrow. Come visit us at thetradingsyndicate.org. Well done, Sandy. And if you need me, I'll be back in about an hour. Thanks, everyone. Remember, don't take candy from strange market makers. We'll see you in the morning. Bye for now.